In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list and sell your ticket on StubHub. If you've already made a sale and need to deliver your ticket correctly, this process is usually very quick, but it's important to be careful at each stage so the buyer receives the ticket without delays. The main goal here is to transfer the ticket to the email address provided by StubHub and then confirm that transfer inside your StubHub order details. Start by opening your StubHub sale confirmation and locating the buyer's transfer email address. This is the email address StubHub provides for ticket delivery. Carefully copy that email exactly as shown. Accuracy matters here, because sending the ticket to the wrong address can create unnecessary issues and slow down the delivery process. Before moving on, it's a good idea to double check that the full email has been copied correctly. Next, open Ticketmaster and go to the My Events section of your account. From there, select the event for the ticket you sold. Look for the transfer option and tap it to begin the transfer process. Ticketmaster will usually ask you to choose the specific ticket or tickets you want to send, so make sure you are selecting the correct ones tied to that StubHub order. Once you've confirmed the right ticket, paste the buyer's email address into the recipient field. Take a moment here to review everything before submitting the transfer. Confirm that the event is correct, the ticket quantity matches the order, and the email address is exactly the one provided by StubHub. This quick review can help prevent mistakes and save time later. When everything looks right, complete the transfer through Ticketmaster. After the transfer has been successfully submitted, return to StubHub and open the order details for that sale. At this stage, you'll need to mark the order as transferred. This step is important because it lets StubHub know you've sent the ticket and helps keep the transaction updated in their system. If you skip this part, the order may still appear incomplete, even though the buyer has already been sent the ticket. Once the order is marked as transferred, you're done. The key to this process is simply being precise. Copy the correct buyer email from StubHub, transfer the ticket through Ticketmaster, and then confirm the transfer back on StubHub. If you follow those steps carefully, the handoff should be smooth and straightforward.